Hi guys, so welcome to our YouTube channel. So here we are again for another vlog. Kasi it's Sunday in the afternoon, then need namin pumunta sa labasan. May mga malalaking tindahan cause we need to buy some glue and also we need to buy some ball pen kasi tomorrow is Monday. Let's go. This is the view here. Yan. So guys, hindi pa po kami dumadating. Bata, punta pa lang po kami kasi medyo malayo-layo po yung malaking tindahan dito sa amin. And maglalakad lang po kami. Like just 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Yun lang. So update ko na kayo kapag nandun na kami. This vlog is all about a day in my life. Gusto ko mamitik. Charot. We are almost there. So, the sari-sari store is Dirima location. So, that is Coms Minimart. Good morning. So for today's video, it's currently 5:56 and I'm done eating, so I need to drink more water to toothbrush. Kasi guys, dito sa amin is na yung toothbrush, hindi una. So yan. So guys, malapit na ako matapos. Pagkatapos nito, mag-ayos lang konti. Then, pupunta na din ako ng school. So ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-video. Busy ako. Dami na namin ganap. Tapos ka mag-toothbrush. So, first week pa lang po ng pasukan namin. Sobrang busy na po. Kaya, no choice kundi hindi na muna mag-vlog. To stop vlogging. Yes, mga B, nag-stop ako mag-vlog. But, this 5th week of class, I'm starting again. Hindi na ako sa school, guys. Paakyat ng 2nd floor. So, ayan.
Ilagin mo gawas na.
Ambition to become a teacher someday.
Ikaw niya, ikaw pang ilabot.
Di mama, nag-present araw ko mama.
Aray ka.
Name, age, address.
Guys, ako na lang mag-isa dito sa room and pauwi na din ako kasi naglinis lang. Yan guys yung room, and then yung dito sa labas is yan, dami pang tao. Siyempre nag-lock na din ako nito. No one was allowed to enter this room unless a student from grade 10. Charis. Hi!